Hello and welcome to this tutorial video which will take you through the log frame tab of the OneGMS project proposal form. This tab allows you to indicate all project's outcomes, outputs, indicators, and activities per sector. If the project includes cash and voucher assistance, please do not select the standard cash indicators and related activities here but from the Cash tab. Cash indicators and activities saved in the Cash tab will be automatically reflected in the Log Frame tab. To fill in the Log Frame tab, start by indicating in this section the objective of your project. Then click here to unfold the logical framework per sector section. You can now add at least one outcome, outcome indicator, output, activity, and standard output indicator. Click here to add an outcome. Once your outcome added, you can click here to add an outcome indicator. On the pop-up window you can either add a standard or a custom indicator.